Oran Z and some legendary African-American artists. We'll show you a world that could have existed, but was not captured or included. You will see people of color. From ancient art, to the Renaissance, to Baroque, to Rococo, to Art Nouveau, to Art Deco, to NFTS, to AI, artificial intelligence, to the Afro future. Uncover the hidden treasures of art history, techniques, and styles while celebrating the contributions of people of color to the global artistic community. This all-inclusive course offers a captivating journey from ancient art BC to the futuristic realms of NFTs and Afrofuturism in 3003 AD. And the inclusion of all people of color. Any color, all colors. Book 1 of the series serves as the perfect introduction to this artistic odyssey, setting the stage for the captivating content that follows. The remaining 59 books provide an in-depth examination of a wide range of artistic styles and techniques, offering readers an unparalleled understanding of the subject matter. You can come join Oran Z and some legendary African-American artists for free on April 1st and 2nd, 2023, with a free copy of the Art Appreciation course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint, Book 1. https://amzn.to/3k0rnwt featuring an impressive 96.3% new original content. The Art Appreciation course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint presents breathtaking, never-before-seen images that showcase the talents and creativity of people of color. This innovative collection breaks down the complexities of art, making it accessible and enjoyable for both beginners and seasoned art connoisseurs. Don't miss the opportunity to broaden your artistic knowledge and immerse yourself in the beauty and brilliance of Afrocentric art. Embrace the power of culture, heritage, and creativity with the Art Appreciation course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint, a must-have addition to your library, classroom, or personal collection. The Art Appreciation course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint is now available for purchase at major book retailers and online platforms. ISBN 979-8388662385 https://amzn.to/3lvog0g. Be a part of this revolutionary artistic movement and help create a more inclusive and vibrant future. For all artists or not. May the rest of your life be the best of your life. Oran Z.